This video is all about how to cleanse your energy. So, number one, the four elements. The sun, fire, wind, not gale force, just gentle breeze. Water, if you're near an ocean, it's a beautiful way to refresh. And obviously grounding, walking nature is mwah. Number two, we're going to go to cleanse your aura, just basically using a smudge stick that's sage, that's beautiful, nice aroma. And number three, you can just visualize white light. It's that simple. So you visualize your crown opening up, visualizing white light coming all the way into your body, going out into your aura and into the cocoon, and you open your eyes. About 3 or 4 minutes every morning. I've given you 3 ways to cleanse your aura, but as soon as you sign up to the Soul Lip Collective, there is in-depth ways how to cleanse and protect not just yourself, but where you work and where you live as well, your entire space. So please head to the link in my bio to check out more.